Hi, good afternoon. My name is Zahra Ahmed. I'm the general manager for pricing in overseas agency development, and I represent the company Interglobe Marine. We are headquartered in Dubai, but then we have our branch office in India as well. We have three offices in India, basically in Mumbai, Gujarat, and in Kolkata. Our company is purely an NBOCC, and we have our own services for a lot of sectors. We have our own containers, and we have our own vessel itself. So basically, we are here to showcase our capabilities towards handling inventory for all the customers, whoever, whether it be traders or importers, exporters, and even for other small-time freight forwarding companies who want to use our service. See, IIS has been helping, a lot of forwarders and basically traders as well to be a connection point between shipping and logistics. So it basically helps everyone, ship the cargo or meet a lot of forwarders where you can connect with each other and find better solutions to what you were having before. The response has been excellent. We were not expecting so much of a rush right from the day one, but when we were thinking that it would probably start only the second half, but then it really kick started on a very good note, and there has been a lot of people visiting our booth, and we have been handling a lot of customers, and it's been really really positive till date, till now. First of all, I should really thank the venue, uh, the entire management for conducting this particular exhibition in a venue like this, and which is like so huge and so massive and so attractive for everyone to come. And it's been an amazing experience with everyone, with each and every company and each and every employee or a business owner or a proprietor who has been visiting us, and we are very very happy with that. Thank you.